Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we are at Newcastle again to film the Fenwick Christmas window, which is behind me there. I have an admission, I did film this the other night and I deleted the footage, so I've had to come back. So there you have it, that was Fenwick's Christmas window 2023, and to be honest, wasn't impressed. Normally they have animatronics, but they had none this year. Anywho, see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.